How to find Amazon promo code. First, go to your browser and search for Amazon promo code 2023. You want to mention 2023 to bring out the latest offers which are valid. Now you're going to find lots of options. You can pick whichever you want. I'm going to click on this Los Angeles website. And now over here, you will find lots of promo codes and offers. To learn more about these offers, you can click on Show More, and here you can find the details. Click on View Coupon to get the promo code. Now here you can find the promo code right here. You can click on Copy to copy the promo code and click on Visit Amazon. So this will take you to the website of Amazon. While you purchase an item, you can put the promo code and you will get the 10% off as it is mentioned in the promo code that I have just selected. So in this way, you can go back and check out more promo codes and offers as well. You can choose the one that suits you the most. So this is how you can find Amazon promo code. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.